Hey you guys, I'm back with some more Mario Kart, so let's get started already. Oh, I love this one. But it's hard. It obviously takes more than 2 minutes in one. Well, I know it takes more than one. It takes a lot more than one. So Rosalyn is not in this race. She was addicted out. Thus, she doesn't like Mario Kart anymore. Ow. I landed in the grass and I did it again. But I suck. Get out of here. You're not my friend. I'm a bad guy. I'm really a bad guy. Ah! Mario's right behind me. I'm afraid to drift because what if I fall and I lose? Everybody's on my tail for winning. Daisy just beat me in the last race. Hey, what's this? Oh, I'm underwater. That was fun. I'm gonna do that. Get it out here. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed.